Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram reply option is missing. So let's get started. Well, here the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open up Play Store. Now we're gonna type in Instagram and then hit search. So here, if it says update, mine it says open. So I've already got the latest version of Instagram, but if yours it says update, then just tap on update to get the latest version. So this is the first way to get the reply option back. Now the second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go out from here and open up Instagram. After that, we're gonna tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. And then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now we're going to scroll all the way down and tap on help. Tap on report a problem, report problem without shaken. And here you can explain that you don't have the replay option. You can also add a screenshot that shows that you don't have the replay option, and once you're done, then you can just hit send at the top right corner and wait till your problem is solved. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!